So you can see this section is the same as earlier in the form. We're just doing it at a 40-degree angle from our normal line. Wood off, grass sparrow's tail, and fold up, and press. Fold up, keep your right arm in line with your leg. Turn the wrists, and then the right arm will follow you. Be careful of this. There mustn't be any gaps. Roll back, turn. So now you're warding off with the right hand. Turn to the left, fold up, press. Hold up, weights on the back leg, now move it forward, press. Now, roll back, push. The push again is done through the feet. When we say push, it's not like this. This is shoving. It's different. This we sink in the earth and push, not this. Roll back, push. Now, leave your hands behind and move the weight onto the back leg. Collect at the waist so the foot comes up. Another thing to be careful of is when you go back, lifting the foot off the ground. Because you're not releasing your leg. So this tendon is pulling the foot up. It must stay there. We release, so the foot stays on the ground and release here. Now, I told her not to do that. She just does not listen. A rebel. Close the hip more. Now. Go back. And then leave the hands there. Okay, good.